Hello everybody, welcome to this platform. Today's video we have given question 5 power a plus 5 power a equals to 100. Solution. And you have to copy what you have 5 power a, okay, then plus 5 power a equals to 100. We have 5 power a plus 5 power a. We can factorize them out to get 5 power a, then open the bracket of 1 plus 1 equals to 100. Then 5 power a, open bracket of 2, then close bracket equals to 100. You can simply divide 2 to get 5 power a equals to 50. Okay, then here at this stage we can apply logarithm on both sides to get logarithm of 5 power a equals to logarithm of 50, and here a logarithm of 5 is equal to logarithm of 50. Then at this stage here, a logarithm of 5 is equal to logarithm of 5 times 5 times 2. Okay, and here at this stage you have to divide logarithm of 5 divide logarithm of 5. Okay, then here a is equal to, when you have multiplication, to mean when we are going to write them we have to add to get logarithm of 5 divided by this logarithm of 5, then plus logarithm of 5 over logarithm of 5 plus this one logarithm of 2 over logarithm of 5. Then a is equal to 1 plus 1 plus logarithm of 2 to the base 5, to mean a equals to 2 plus logarithm of 2 to the base 5 as final answer. And always have to check if our answer is correct, because we have given here 5 power a plus 5 power a equals to 100, and have 5, and we are going to replace this value of a. We have right here 5 power 2 plus logarithm of 2 to the base 5 plus 5 power 2 plus logarithm of 2 to the base 5 equals to 100. When you have this addition as power, to mean that you have multiplication, to mean we shall say 5 squared times 5 power logarithm of 2 to the base 5 plus 5 power 2 times 5 power logarithm of 2 to the base 5 equals to 100. Of course, here you have 25 times. Here, if you have same base, to mean the answer is this one, to mean that this 25 times 2 plus 25 times have same base, to mean power is the answer, which is equal to 100. 25 times 2 is equal to 50 plus 25 times 2 is equal to 50, which equals to 100. And of course 100 is equal to 100. Left hand side equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.